Well, I'm making this video because, man, I see every time somebody works on them, they break these clips. And see, this would go into one of the coil packs. Then they don't click on there. So they always cut right here, and they cut the wire harness, and they splice a new plug into the wire harness. And then they fuck the wire harness up. So, I mean, you don't have to splice a new one in when this is like this. I mean, all you have to do is, first of all, you slide these out, okay? Get these clips out right here, okay? Get that clip out. Then, in here, these little prongs, every one of those are locked in there. They make a tool. If you buy the tool, and you put it in there, put it just in here like this, okay? And then if you wiggle it a certain way and pull, you'll get the one to come out. Do the next one, okay? Twist, pull, okay? Do the next one, on. Okay, got 2 more to go, and then this will come right out. Okay, put it in there, twist and pull. Okay, 1 more. Put it in there. Okay, like that. Twist and pull. And now it will all pull out like that, okay? You grab you a new one, okay? Just like this, it's your new one. It's all good, okay? Okay, so as you can see, 1 would be red, 2 would be brown, 3 would be this one, 4 would be that one, okay? So, you take them the way they are, like that, okay? That, okay? Put 1 in there like that, 1 in there, 1 in there, 1 in there like that, okay? Okay, 4 like that. Okay, that's how that would be. 1's red, 2's brown, 3's the green and white, and 4's brown and white, okay? Then all you gotta do is push these back in there and lock them in there. Once they go in there, you work their way in there. Okay, just like that. And then see, they lock all in there, okay? Use your little tool to push this back down in there all the way. Make sure that it goes in there all the way. See here, it locked, that one locked. That one's locked all the way down. That one's locked. And that one's locked. And then there, see? See? Now you fixed it. Now you have a plug on there. You don't ruin the wire harness by splicing it, cutting it, and butchering it. You know, I don't understand why people do that. I understand because they just don't know how to do things right. Then you pop this clip back in there. But every single one of these electrical plugs can be taken apart like that. They're made like that because they were put together. And then now, this coil, it will slide right on there. And you have a new plug that will lock. See? Without destroying the wire harness.